How to share a world with friends in LEGO Fortnite. So first, you just simply need to click on Tab to open this up. Then click on like the icon here besides the codex. Once you're there, it will show you this one. So as you can see, this world only has 7 keys remaining, and every world has 7 keys, which means that you could only invite 7 persons right here on your world. So just simply click on invite players, and it will bring you here. Then go to your friend list and just simply find any online friends right there and right click on them and just simply invite them to your party. Now once that's done, go back right here. And once they're here on your players, you could share a key with them or with your friend in your party if you want them to play in this world on their own. So that basically means that even though you're offline, they can still access your world. Or even though you exit your game, they could still play the world that you own or that you made because they have that key that you gave. So all party members without a key will be automatically removed when you leave your party or your world. So make sure that your friends or teammates have your keys before you leave your world. And that's basically it.